can you see my slide?
Yes, we can see a slide.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Kamiti. Thank you for the all delegates. The our research is the title is evolving of accrual accounting in the government sector. It is the research a systematic literature review and future prospects. Uh, like as we know, a paradigm shift in the government thinking to achieve a more transparent and accountable level of financial system management in the sector. And this tradition gave birth to the International Public Sector Accounting Standard in 1998, which was the beginning of changes in the government accounting system. And this condition uh, has uh, created the accrual accounting system in the government like uh, the government use today. And however, international public sector accounting standards, or IPSAS, have been met with pros and cons since it was adopted by countries in the world. The problem in our research is to what extent today is accrual-based accounting applied in the government sector with the various problems faced. The third objective is to describe the result of previous research on accrual accounting theme, and we would like to discuss about four sections. The first, adoption of accrual accounting, and the second one is multi-effects of implementation of accrual accounting, and the third is the perceived benefits, and the fourth is the constraint in implementing accrual accounting, and the last is we would like to discuss about prospect, the future, and the future research. And design methodology design is we use systematic literature review. We collect the data from the Scopus, and we use protocol design, and also, and the last, we have the result of the collecting of the papers, about 93 papers. And here, so I will show you that the protocol of design. And first, we got about 625 papers, and the last we would like to analyze about 93 papers. And the result and discussions here. So we would like to discuss about first adoption of accrual. There are 22 papers we got from the data from Scopus that examine various things that refer to each country's efforts to reform the government financial system with various problem backgrounds. For example, like the government needs for transparency and also needs for accountability, and also for another things like they need for the measurement of the performance of the uh, financial statement. And then the second one is multi-sectors of implementation of accrual accounting. Here, so we got collected 42 papers, and we have result about seven things, the sectors in changing into the government sector. The first is the fiscal sector, and then the second one is government administration and management, and the third is government audit policy, and the fourth is political, social, and cultural factors, and then accrual system harmonization among countries, and human resource competence and public sector accounting literature. And there are seven things for the big sevens that happen in the government by adapting or implementing the accrual accounting system. And the third is the benefits of accrual. Here, so we got 26 papers, that discuss the benefits of accruals. The first, we talk about the supporting the good governance. Yeah, accrual the benefit of accrual accounting systems is supporting the good governance. It means so the government would have have got some the clean the clean system of like transparency, like accountability, yeah, from the good governance system. And then the second one is assessing personal performance by adapting the accrual accounting year. So the governments would like to get some benefit like personal performance. Yeah, anybody from the who works in the government sectors can be assessed by this system. And then the third is improving operational efficiency and effectiveness. And of course, by adopting this accrual, but the government can be efficiency and effectiveness in running the operational. And then it helped really so much for to the governments to result to give some benefit to the performance of the government. And the fourth is development of internal control. And the fifth is supporting the audit system also. And then assistant the government tax system. And also the last is the managing local income. And by adopting accrual accounting, the government can be easy to manage the how to get the local income. And local income can push the government to be independent from the you know the central government. And then the fourth is constraints of implementing dual-based accounting. Here, so we got seven papers, including four other things, like the first for participant, politician, it is very difficult to predict the expenditure that must be agreed upon from budget. And then the second one's like still available of earning management practice. This some of constraints of implementing accrual-based accounting. And maybe so for the next research can also make for the another indicators to see the what constraints of implementing an accrual basis accounting in government. And conclusion of our research is the long journey of the accrual-based accounting system in the government sector marks a positive reforms in 1997 until now, with many significant changes felt by all countries that have adopted the system. However, it cannot be denied that the existence of cash-based accounting system has also played a very influential role in government governance. Yes, right. The cash-based, the system adopted by the government before accrual accounting. Today, many countries that have adopted accrual basis, but still maintain cash-based system. Yes, cash-based system still, still be used in the government also for the the certain part. And the sustainability of the accrual accounting system can ensure a more relevant and reliable context in providing government financial information capable of influencing both short-term and long-term decision making. Also, in our research, have some limitation. The first, no research discussing of technology with the accrual accounting system. And the second one, we found the research, some of the research still limited to the government sectors. And then the third is the analysis carried out is still partial. And then the fourth is the article obtained do not represent many countries. Yes, I think that's all of my presentation. If you have some questions, so you can ask me, or you can also ask me personally by email, Zulkarnaini at pnl or .ic.id. Thank you, committee, and thank you for a lot of attending your. Thank you.